Hi guys, welcome to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today we will be creating this lovely Father's Day gift set. Here are the lovely items we will be placing in the Father's Day gift set. We have a mug, perfume, a pair of socks, and a lovely navy blue and gold necktie. We will start off with the perfume. Due to the fact that it is very heavy, so I will go ahead and use some skewers and support it down with some tape. So when I do put it into the mug, it will stay firm. To fill in our cup, we will simply use old newspaper. Just go ahead and squash it and push it in. Here I am using a piece of navy blue craft paper and I'll put it on to cover up that newspaper. We don't want to see that. This is what I mean when the perfume is a bit heavy. So I will put the sticks in firmly. It keeps it in place. So there's no way it will fall off. Now watch me build this beautiful gift set. As usual, if you watch my other vlogs, I use tape to secure my items. I don't want them falling off. I like to keep everything secured and in place with a piece of tape. Look at this lovely Father's Day balloon. The colors are amazing. I've never seen one like this. Now the stick is way too long, so I cut it and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the cup. This is a very small balloon and one of my favorites. It is perfect for a personal gift set. Here is a quick and rapid crafting idea. That same craft paper, you just get a little piece of it, place a pencil in the middle, and just twist. At the end, it becomes into this beautiful bouquet. This craft bouquet, it blocks and covers up all the little empty spaces. Wow! Happy Father's Day! Look at this lovely personal gift basket. This is so cute. Every and any father would love to receive this beautiful basket. Guys, don't only say Happy Father's Day to your daddy on Father's Day. Father's Day is every day. Please remind your daddy how special he is, how much he means to you and your family. If you've enjoyed this video just as much as I've enjoyed creating it for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and leave me a great big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video.